today we're going to be talking about the top 5 best modifications for your ATV. These modifications aren't going to be in any specific order, so let's get started. Coming in at number 5, we have a seat cover for your ATV. The reason why I recommend getting a seat cover is because it protects the seat from getting torn, ripped, protects it from rain and other things that could, leave marks. Alright, and coming in at number 4 is having a winch. The reason why I recommend getting a winch is because you can pull yourself out, your friends, and some logs that are blocking the trail. You can even go full custom and make yourself some nice mounts for a plow. So in the wintertime, you just control the winch by a remote. Coming in at number 3 is having a light bar. The reason why I recommend getting the light bar is because when you're riding out at night with your friends, the stock headlights are not really good. They're just like yellow and kind of crappy looking. When you get a nice LED light bar, it improves your vision. Coming in at number 2 is storage. The reason why I got this Plano ATV case is because when you have a Rancher 420, you don't get that much storage. All you get is, you could barely squeeze a water bottle. Having the storage box improved this bike 100%. You could fit chainsaws, small gas tanks, and axes in here. It also comes with this nice waterproofing seal, which is really nice when you got valuable things in it. It's really nice because if you have chainsaws in here, no water will get in and possibly damage it, so that's a nice plus. Also get these little things so you could lock your storage, or just simply strap it on. And coming in at number 1 is having good tires. These are Wanda All-Terrain Masters, and they perform amazingly well. Going from stock ball tires to having so much grip is amazing. Really aggressive, and it's great because when you go through things like mud, it just claws right over. These like Mars Forerunners, and they're alright, but they're not in the best quality. Or you just have people that don't respect your stuff. Also have one more bonus. Is having a hitch. A hitch is really important for pulling other people out. Maybe you want to pull some trailers and haul some things. So I would really recommend one.